Hi there, we've got a nice little unit to show you today, showing how the earth wire interplays with the fuse to prevent electrocution. So we've got a kettle here and a user, and then we've got the plug. We've got a fuse wire here which could be replaced. We've got, in this case, a 12 volt incoming supply here, okay? So at the moment everything should be working fine. If I switch it on, the LEDs showing within the kettle, I suppose simulating water being boiled, that kind of thing. So that's fine. But what if something goes wrong? What if the live wire now touches the metal casing? Now, let's try it first of all without the earth wire, because otherwise we'd have to replace the earth wire in this demonstration, which is easy enough, but would take too long. So if I switch it on now you can see, sadly, the user's been electrocuted there, okay? So what would happen if I put the earth wire in, still with the live wire touching the external casing? Now, theory goes that there's a low resistance path now for the current, and that will increase the current flowing through the live wire through the fuse. So when students look at this, try to have a little look at what's going on here with the fuse wire, because it happens quite fast. Okay, so switch it on. There we go. I don't know if you saw it light up and melt there. So the fuse wire melted and hopefully prevented electrocution. So that's a nice little demonstration for GCSE physics classes.